Hello, in this video we're gonna check if ASUS Zenfone 9 has a stereo speakers. So to do this, first let's find all of the speakers on this device. So on top there's no speaker, there's a phone call speaker right here and one speaker right here. On the sides there's nothing, and on the left side there's also nothing, and on the back there's no speakers. So now to determine if it's stereo or mono speaker. If it's a mono speaker, the sound is coming from only one speaker. If that's the stereo speaker, the sound will come from this speaker and the phone call speaker as well. So now let's play some music. So I can confirm that the sound is coming from both of the speakers, and that would mean this device has a stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.